Yeah. Well, well, ay. Wings spread wide like an eagle in disguise. Jet engines roar while I'm touching the skies. First class champagne got me feeling divine.
Rolling in my Benz, I'm talking luxury. Big diamonds on my wrist, baby, can't you see? Living like a king, I'm on a shopping spree. Cash flowing and this life's a fantasy.
Hi there, this is Srinidhi Ranganathan. AI-powered self-learning mastery using generative AI. Unlock and master any skill or any course subject for free. The future of learning and open source education is here now in India. So guys, this is the kind of the video on demand program for AI-powered self-learning mastery, which I'm giving out to you free of cost on YouTube. So what it is, I'll explain to you. Many of my students demanded that I create a video on demand program for this particular course, which can strike a revolution in India and the world. So I've gone ahead and I'm doing this. I've made up my mind. I want to help a lot of students, a lot of learners to learn and master any subject topic in the world, almost any subject topic in the world on their own. This concept is called personalized learning. Personalized learning means, suppose you want to learn any topic, be it data science, machine learning, art, painting, music, video editing, audio editing, or even you want to prepare for your competitive exams, or you want to learn about a chapter in physics, chemistry, or mathematics, right? You'll be able to have AI tutors, AI teachers record for you, talk to you live, clear your doubts, right? And also you can create presentations. You'll be able to create study guides, notes, diagrams, know about the formulas, everything I'm going to teach you in this course. So I want you to share this course as much as possible with anybody who wants to learn, like any learner who wants to learn anything. It will be helpful for them. To talk about BookSpots, BOOKSPOTZ, BookSpots is an independent AI publication where AI robots do all the work, like content writing, SEO, SEM, SMM, lead generation, email marketing. The robots also do podcasts and a lot of other things too. Like, let me give you examples. Okay, let me give you instances revolving around BookSpots before we proceed, and also about new bots. What is new bots and all that stuff. Now, BookSpots, as I told you, is an AI company. It's India's largest publication run completely by AI agents. Now, AI robots also do podcasts, video work, SEO. They take care of my SEO. We have even the top robots that we have cloned who are looking after a lot of things like coding, doing faceless videos, etc., etc. Now, this video is recorded by my AI bot, but it's my voice you're hearing through the bot. So I've actually even cloned voices, but this is my actual human voice you're hearing. Okay. Now, what all we have at BookSpots, let me just give you a brief overview and then we will move on towards what this course offers, how you can learn any subject in the world for free and all this stuff. Now, BookSpots offers a lot of AI courses, like say Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing, AIDM course. It offers Job Placer Machine course, the world's first AI-powered resume building, automated job search, auto-apply mastery taught by humans and AGI robots. AGI is artificial general intelligence technology, which is a step ahead than AI and ANI, artificial narrow intelligence technology. We also have agentic AI course where you can create and command highly intelligent AI agents for task automation. We have Mind's Eye 1.0, which is the world's first artificial narrow intelligence ANI digital marketing fast track program. Hyper Fantasia edition. Hyper Fantasia means you'll be knowing about seeing all my other videos. What is Hyper Fantasia? Extreme creative thinking skills, opening your mind's eye, and all this stuff. You can check out my other videos to understand what is Hyper Fantasia, how I have the Hyper Fantasia, how I can create hundreds of books in my mind and read out from the books. Those books are not even written, but I can read out from those books, right? Through my mind's eye. Then India's first AI-powered software testing course with specialization on autonomous testing and self-healing. That is also we cover. BookSpot's AIDM free training, certification and internship program. Okay. Video Man, rapid video making, Hyperloop edition, where you can create hundreds of videos autonomously without human intervention. WP Volcano 1.0, the world's first AI-powered WordPress mastery course. Okay. Then world's one and only transhuman programming course on the quantum internet. See, in transhuman programming, we cover no-code Java, no-code Python. AI will automatically take the mouse cursor, write lakhs of lines of code in minutes, and automatically debug the code, launch the application in minutes through just one line of prompt. All this stuff we teach. No-code techniques, quantum connectivity for the first time, starting from India. Then Quantum Creativity 1.0, the world's first extreme visualization course to open your mind's eye for astral imagery. Imagination unlimited, that is. Then ChatGPT Unlocked, 50 courses in one. Extreme, that is edition. Free video on demand plus live training course we offer. Then Supernova 2050, the world's one and only AGI, Artificial General Intelligence Training Course for futuristic entrepreneurs. And we have a lot of amazing stuff in that. You can go through that. Then RoboAuthor, India's first AI content writing, automation, SEO and marketing course. Superstorm edition. AI itself will write the entire book. AI itself will create the audio book. A lot of things are there in that course, which we will teach you. Then Fog of Alpha Atoms, the world's first startup growth strategy certification course powered by Chess Tactics for the first time in the world. Then Brand Dynamo, the world's first next level personal branding course powered by AI. Then Ads Hacker, where you can create advertisements using state-of-the-art technology. Then India's first prompt engineering technology PET certification course with a specialization on artificial super intelligence ASI, the first of its kind in the world, and now in India we are teaching ASI, which is going to emerge only after 20-30 years. We are teaching such concepts. We already have technologies up to hundreds of years, like self-driving flying cars, mind clones, brainwave passwords, a lot of things we have. Blueprints also, we are teaching some of the technologies regarding that. Then the world's first generative AI design course from BookSpots. Then one-on-one mentorship. If you want, you can always contact me on BookSpots, BOOKSPOTZ.com. Go there, find my contact number and you can contact me. I'll give you one-on-one mentorship on various topics on a paid basis. But definitely these courses, video on demand is free. You can utilize it and you can learn a lot of things. Okay. And if you want any help on project based, your particular project you want to learn or master or do some things, then you can obviously come for a paid mentorship session. Then we also have in BookSpots, we have new bots. I'll explain to you what is new bots coming up right now. Then we have Knowledge Hub, Lab of AI Research, AI offerings. We also offer digital marketing services and all. That is also there. AI powered marketing services. See, Newbots, NEWBOTS.studio is the world's first digital studio powered by artificial general intelligence technology, guys. We specialize in creating cutting edge AI, ANI and AGI agents tailored to automate and enhance business operations. So if you are a startup or a small medium enterprise or an MNC striving to stay ahead in a competitive market, our AI agents will meet your unique needs in terms of streamlining the workflows and reducing manual efforts. That means they'll take care of all the stuff that you do in a typical organization, automating each and everything. In fact, each and every department work. At Newbot Studio, we believe in the seamless integration of human creativity with the capabilities of AGI. Our mission is to empower industries with cutting-edge AGI-powered solutions that enhance efficiency, elevate creativity, and drive unprecedented growth. So, Newbots.studio will change the world forever in terms of creating a lot of AGI agents, AI agents, ANI agents, and these agents are going to help a lot in terms of automating a lot of businesses processes and taking care of all the works from graphic design to audio creation to image creation to video creation, avatar creation, faceless YouTube channel creations, a lot of things we help. Even Bookspot, we have faceless YouTube channel services. You can try that out. Great. So now we knew, we came to know about Bookspots. We came to know about Newbots. There's also a lab of AI research in Bookspots. You can try it out. What is that? Then AI offerings are there. AI courses, which I already covered. So now let's move on towards the AI powered self-learning mastery course. So here you'll be able to learn any subject on your own and save thousands of education, as we told you earlier. This course is designed for a diverse audience set, empowering individuals from various backgrounds to master any skill or subject effectively, effortlessly using generative AI. Whether you're a school student exploring new subjects, or a college student aiming for academic excellence, or a professional student seeking advanced knowledge on some concepts, this program will provide the ultimate self-learning advantage. Entrepreneurs, businessmen can leverage artificial intelligence to upskill, optimize decision making, and drive innovation, guys. Because while researchers and scholars also can, utilize a lot of AI technologies also to accelerate discoveries and streamline complex analysis. That's also possible. So if you're a school student, if you're a businessman, if you're a teacher also, you can utilize this. To your teaching practices, you can utilize a lot of things. And also send your students these courses or the set of courses or this particular video. So it will help them a lot, right? So people in rural areas or people who cannot afford quality education can now create their own personalized kind of, training program. If you're a programmer, you can use AI for rapid coding, automation, and software development also. So what you will gain from this course, you can create your own free AI mentors and teachers to train you on any technical course, core subject in the world that you want to learn about. Get free study material and presentations, ebooks, study guides, audiobooks, quizzes to any subject that you want to learn instantly using AI and AI technology. You'll be able to master any course content or subject that you want to learn without paid coaching, with a practical and holistic learning experience. You'll be able to overcome learning barriers, in fact, with open source and freemium AI and smart LLM tools. So we'll present you a lot of open source tools and freemium tools that you can learn across. That will present you with assignments, math problems, case studies, quizzes, examples, and simulations. So let's now move on towards a 6-day course outline. This course is offered to you free of cost. Through this course, you can learn how to, study any kind of core subject that you want. And I'm doing this to help a lot of people in terms of learning needs should be met, right? So I want to, talk to you about Booksports and how much of work we have done. Yes. Here's the 6-day course outline. 6-day in the sense 6 sessions typically. So initially it was planned as 6 days, and now all the 6 sessions will be covering in this part of the course. In this entire video. Day 1 is the EdTech revolution and self-learning mindset, which we're going to start off in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Like how traditional methods are already, gone and dusted, and how Booksports style self-learning methodology is rising. How to replace paid courses or programs with AI-powered free resources that you can create yourself and learn. Tools to generate instant course material, graphics, infographics, diagrams, resources, equations, solutions, creative content, flashcards and summaries in text, audio, podcast and video. Then day 2 is like AI teachers and automated study guides, where you can talk to AI mentors, create AI podcasts, and step by step you can learn, where AI teachers can assist you. Any questions you have, you can ask your AI teacher. Generating study notes, guides and explanations with AI. Breaking complex concepts into easy to learn modules can be done. That's day 2. Day 3 is mastering competitive exams and technical training, where you can crack competitive exams and mathematics with AI powered coaching, learn programming, design and creative skills efficiently, access free online libraries, notes and question banks. Day 4 is AI powered learning for video editing, audio editing and more. AI tools that simplify complex tasks, mastering video and audio editing without any kind of, holistic approach. Very easy it is, no need of technical skills. Automating highly creative work with smart technology. Day 5 is free presentations and AI powered study materials, world class presentations where I'll teach you the tool to create. AI tools for automatic research and knowledge extraction, collaborating with AI for faster and deeper learning. Day 6, the final day, is future of learning next gen AI guidance for next generation and the present generation, obviously. How to stay updated with cutting edge and more futuristic AI learning methods, becoming a self-learning expert for lifelong success, an exclusive Q&A session you can have with me. You can just message me to find out where am I, find out my number through WhatsApp, find me on LinkedIn, India's Human AI, Srinidhi Ranganathan. Find me on LinkedIn. Yes, think about it. What if you can master any skill, be it programming, design, video editing, competitive exams, creative arts, at your own pace you want to learn with the guidance of AI mentors and tools? This is the course for you, right? Future of learning is here, guys. Future of learning is here. It's AI powered, free and limitless. This course flips the script on traditional education. Instead of relying on paid tutors or costly study materials, right? Or costly books and all, learners like you will harness AI driven tools to become self-sufficient. By the end of this course, you will have a digital AI mentor whom you can talk with 24/7, who will guide you on any subject that you want to learn. Generate study material instantly without needing to search for hours to buy expensive stuff. Master complex topics with ease with AI-powered breakdowns, explanations, and interactive learning techniques. Learn faster and more efficiently with tools that can simplify, summarize, and visualize information in seconds. Create professional grade work without training, whether it's video editing, coding, marketing, design. Artificial intelligence tools will assist you. So want to learn coding but don't know where to start, want to edit videos but lack professional training, preparing for competitive exams but struggling to understand concepts, this is the course for you. Great, so let's get started. Okay, so great, I think we can look at starting off with day 1 right now and then moving on towards the other days. Now it's a very fast track program, easily you can learn a lot of things is what I believe, guys. See, before I started Vajra itself, Vajra was a digital marketing course. Before 7-8 years, I had done it. I had done a 11-hour program on digital marketing. Back then, guys, there was no AI. There was no AI. This is no Chat GPT, no Claude, no Google Gemini, no big amazing tools that are trending in the world right now. Back then, now students still call me and say, "Sir, we learned a lot of things from you before 7 years." For 8 years. That point of time, AI was not like at the forefront. Now, everywhere, nook and corner of every street, they talk about AI, right? Great. So, that's about it. So, let's get started. So, fingers crossed, I think you'll be able to get ready to learn new things, innovative things, and I hope you will enjoy it, right? Enjoy the learning process, guys. Because, see, nobody taught me digital marketing. I learned on my own. I learned and mastered 80,000 tools on my own. Lot of things from my experience, extensive experience and expertise I'm going to convey to you right now. Lot of tools, lot of software, lot of apps. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Let's get started. Okay, let's get to the first chapter. Why self-learning methodologies and personalized learning are the future. See, education is undergoing a huge shift, you know that, right? It is moving from rigid, traditional classroom-based methods towards flexible and self-driven learning experiences, guys, okay? Self-learning methods and personalized learning are rapidly gaining prominence in this world of competitive world of AI, revolutionizing how individuals acquire knowledge and skills. See, self-learning means it puts you, the learner, in complete control of your educational journey. Unlike conventional methods that actually follow a standardized syllabus or a not a self-driven syllabus, but a standardized syllabus. In terms of self-learning, it will allow you to explore topics at your own pace, guys, okay? Your own learning style that you want, or a specific concept that you want. You can form a deeper connection with the subject matter. This will lead you to better knowledge retention and engagement. Technology driven personalization also. Okay. This is also a lot of emerging technologies are helping in this regard. Real world application and skill based learning is the future. Also along with this, and continuous learning. See, everybody, you and I are a learner. We learn new things. Whatever we know is a drop in the ocean. Daily, you know that, right? I research for more than 6 to 7 hours a day, guys, exploring new things, going on product hunt, going for platforms like there is an AI for that and all. Researching on just got a message, sorry. Researching on what kind of tools are emerging in the planet, what kind of things are coming up, what kind of concept, what kind of strategies are coming up and all. I research on a lot of things. Now also people are messaging me saying, asking questions, asking queries. That's why I'm getting that tech kind of messaging ping. Anyways, so you need to foster a growth mindset, lot of curiosity, lot of exploration. You need to do all that stuff, right? You need to have that in you. So, great. So, traditional method of education is already on its way home. Self-learning is the key. Let's move on to chapter 2. How to replace the so-called programs that charge you with AI-powered free resources that you can create yourself. Let's look at that right now. Now, let me take the first step. Instant course material generation. What tool you're going to use? On J1, this is going to be an amazing addition, right, to your learning arsenal. LearnGPT.art. Head over there. It's called LearnGPT.art. Once you're logged in, you will see new topic. Otherwise, you can just click on you'll get to this page. You can just click on the new topic, or you'll get to this page, don't worry. Here, whatever you want to learn, you just have to type in whatever. You can learn about physics, algebra, history, computer science, psychology, creative writing, AI, data science, philosophy, environmental science, foreign language, public speaking, economics, sociology, political science, business management, marketing, graphic design, music theory, mathematical analysis, chemistry, biology, finance, accounting, coding, ethics, geometry, calculus, law, anthropology, architecture, astronomy, geology, linguistics, nutrition, nursing, teaching, project management, photography, filmmaking, acting, dancing, painting, literature, journalism, medicine, engineering, pixel art. Or if you want any topic in the world, you can type it. Suppose, let me pick one topic. Suppose I want to know about future of coding. Just an example. I'm just giving an example, guys. Okay, you can type in any topic, literally any subject. It doesn't matter. Future of coding. Okay. Let me just check. Just give me a minute. Like whether my audio is like full. Yeah, it is. No problem. Great. Click on learn. So you can First of all, before you click on learn, English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Hungarian, all these languages are there. Korean, Bengali, whatever language you want. Click on learn. It's generating the course material. Yes, it's already generated the course material. Okay, completely the material is generated right now. Okay, with the equations and all. Okay, so this is just first chapter. You can look at different multiple chapters that are here. No code, WebAssembly, serverless computing, blockchain development, cloud native, edge computing, IoT development, data science, cross-platform, microservices, DevOps culture, whatever you want. Okay, automation tools. So this is free of cost, completely free of cost. You can use it at the moment. See, once you get to this chapter, you can still ask anything in this particular chapter, or you can say tell me more, or you can say explain like I'm 5. Okay, and if you don't understand this chapter, you can say I still don't understand, or go deeper, or give me an example. Now I'll select, give an example. Suppose for this context example is not available, it will give no, but you can even specify in terms of a professional coder looking at a case study example of AI integration, craft me a story or something like that, right? Just an example. Let's see whether it does it. There we go. It does it, right? Ava, a seasoned backend developer. Okay, so it is giving an example pertaining to this particular chapter, guys. Okay, it is already given the example. Okay, and how the success she found, all the stories, all the stuff she went through and all, right? So it is giving. You can even say tell me more and explain like your fire or something like that, whatever you want to get. This is first chapter, so you can look at different chapters that you have, the complete book. Okay, great. Now, so this is the first step, whatever I explained here. Instant course material generation is now done. Okay, the next step is graphics. You want to generate a graphic. Let's see how that works. For graphics, go to ideogram.ai, ideogram.ai. Once you go there, automatically this dashboard will load. Here what we are learning, AI integration in coding, right? So suppose you want to create a poster, let's go here and type create a poster of a man working in office, sitting, let's make it a futuristic office. Okay, futuristic office, sitting in front of a supercomputer, or show text artificial intelligence into coding in the graphic. Okay, now once you select that, here you have different styles, guys. Okay, suppose you have auto, you have general, you have realistic, design, 3D, all these different styles you can try out. And the ratios, see, ratios you can try out whatever you want, like portrait, landscape, whatever you want, ratios. Okay, so I'll give 16:9, or if you're looking at charts and all, no, you can go to 9:16. Magic prompt, if you want, you can use it. It enhances your initial prompt. Okay, it will only try to enhance your prompt. This is a prompt. Okay, these are all part of different plans, like premium plans, like upload image and all. If you want a particular image reference that you want to use and all, editor, and then you have a lot of things in ideogram. You also have canvas and all. You got to try out what is canvas. It's pretty good. You want to change certain part of an image. Suppose this particular, I don't want a horn for this goat. I can just select that and I can change the color of the horn and remove the horn, like that. That is in canvas and all. Okay, that's in pretty much in canvas anyways. So now color palette also you can choose whatever you want. Now I'll click generate. Generating, guys, it's generating. Okay, wait for it. 23% completed. Graphics are like piece of cake, guys, piece of cake. Don't worry about that. Okay, in ideogram it's piece of cake. The text will be so good. Sometimes it generates the text, sometimes it doesn't generate the text on the image, but It does sometimes, but anyways. So you can see this guy. Okay, AI encoding is generated here. If we go to here, yeah, this is come really good. AI decoding, AI decoding. This is okay. Oh, amazing stuff. Amazing, right? I like this a lot. Now I'm gonna download it. Click on download. I am going to download this. It's called very cool. Okay, it's downloaded. And now what I do generally is go to Google and I type in upscale images, so that you get more higher resolution. Or even if you have the paid plan, you can upscale from here. You have an option there. Upscale button is there. Suppose if you don't have that button, don't worry about it. Go here. See, if you have premium plan, it works really well. But anyways, get that image and go to here, drag it here. It's called pixelcut.ai, AI image upscaler. It's free, completely free. In terms of 2x resolution, it's free. So you can see the quality difference, guys. Sometimes if the text is not up to the mark, I'll tell you what to do. Don't worry about that, but just watch this. Quality is so good. Okay, then you click on download. Suppose if the text is not come up to a mark, go to canva.com, CNVA, Canva, and then go to presentation. Type in presentation in Canva. Create a blank presentation. Okay, here, that whatever that particular image that is upscaled, drag it. Just make sure you cover the full screen. Okay, now click edit, grab text, select this text, grab. It's time to grab the text. It's time. Yes, now you can edit it. Okay, what do you want? You can edit it. Okay, you say AI encoding video or something like that. Feel free to do it. Just increase the size. What do you want? You can put it here. Suppose you want the text, don't want the text, remove the text. So good, so amazing to the core. I'm going to use this image somewhere anyways. So then you download PNG or whatever, JPEG is good. Increase the quality and click download. Now you have the final image without the text or with the text. That's up to you to decide. Okay, that ways. So those kind of ways you can create. Suppose you want to remix also, you can remix. Okay, remix, change something you want to change. Make a man to a woman, create a poster or create a social media post. A futuristic office can be like day-to-day office. Supercomputer can be a normal PC. Whatever, you just make the changes in the prompt. It is going to automatically take that into action. You can also create logos using ideogram. You can also create a lot of things, guys. It's not just for study materials. You can do whatever you want. Study material design, but you can do whatever you want. And quality model and all you can use. You can even remove the background in the paid plans, I think. Yes, you can remove the background. Only this man and the computer will be shown or something like that. You can select what you want to remove and all. Great. So now I hope you got an idea. Make it private, public, whatever you want. Okay, it depends on the plans. Batch image the creation also they've introduced. That means you can create a lot of images at once. Okay, lot of images at once in batch image creations. I think that's part of the paid plan. I think if I go there, the paid plan may load up. Yeah, there you go. Upgrade to pro. Anyways, but in the free one, you can still do a lot of magic. I think 10 images or something are free as part of 3rd March. 10 images are free. You can start to use them. It's pretty amazing. Anyways, now yeah, graphics part, it's done. Okay, next, infographics. For infographics, use infographics, infografix.app, the world's amazing free infographics generator. Okay, it's pretty amazing, guys. Anybody can create infographics from anywhere. You don't need to learn. How to make an infographic or search the internet for infographic copies. You can make it very easily, very easily. Now click on get started. Okay, so now all you gotta do is you can look at templates, like for example most recent data visualization templates. Okay, pie chart is there, donut chart is there, line chart is there, knob chart is there, order and relationships templates like hierarchy, mind map, family tree, everything is there. Timeline and steps template, list a process cycle, analysis and research templates like Q&A, SWOT and all. And pretty amazing, right? So a lot of things are there, guys, a lot of things are there. Then you can use AI also. Suppose you want to create some infographic, you can use AI, listicle, customize, aspect ratio of the infographic, Q&A, process cycle, SWOT, bar chart, pie chart, whatever you want you can use, add title, whatever you want. Suppose let me pick list. Okay, so let's say use AI. Okay, a list on learning about visiting Mars. Okay, generate Mars using state of the art futuristic vehicles or rockets. Example, I'm just giving an example. Okay, generate, understand. Okay, let's see what happens right now. Coming up the infographic on a list, a learning. Oh, there you go, it's here, it's done, it's already done. Introduction to Mars exploration, futuristic spacecraft and rockets, preparing for the journey, life on Mars, future prospects, challenges and risk, everything is done. And then if you want, you can look at customizing this, how you want to customize it, pattern fill, you want to fill something like this or this or this, add title, theme you want to change like this, list wrapping you want to do or something, right? So all that stuff you can customize and then you can download it. Okay, save it, download it, whatever you want, that's up to you to do it. Okay, pretty amazing, right? So it will help you a lot. Okay, so that means the infographic part is also now covered. Next we are moving to diagrams. See, diagrams also you can do using this, but for example if you want more complex diagram, go to Wolfram Alpha, WOLFRAMALPHA.com. Here whatever you want. Okay, you can learn step-by-step solutions to mathematics, elementary math, plotting, graphics, calculus, science and technology, all kinds of things, society and culture, everyday life, lot of things. If you want to calculate something or know about something, examples, you can ask a lot of things. For example, if I want to ask something related to money and finance. Okay, suppose you want to find and analyze a current data about a stock. Okay, here you go. General Electric is a financial user as a company instead. Suppose this is just a sample like stock analysis kind of thing. Say Apple. Okay, there you go, Apple has come up. So it is showing the latest trend, market cap, revenue, employees, revenue, employee, net income, recent returns, price history, data return analysis, projections. I'm just giving you an idea, right? So you can go and do you can work on step by step really amazing calculations. Not just this, even algebra. Suppose I want to go to algebra, I want to solve a polynomial equation. You can do that. So you can change this to whatever you want. So you can change it to 5x, you can change it to 7. Just an example, I'm giving you examples. Okay, it's going to solve it. It's also going to show you the diagrams, and it's going to solve it, and related queries also it'll show up, right? It's amazing in terms of if you want to learn mathematics to the core, amazing stuff, nobody can beat it. Okay, amazing. Algebra, elementary mathematics, calculus analysis, differential equations, science and technology, physics to the core, you can learn chemistry, earth sciences, society and culture, food and nutrition, demographics, dates and times, history. Oh my god, history is going to be very, very cool. You try it out. A lot of things are there, guys. Lot of things. So diagrams, I've taught you. I've taught you infographics, how to generate free stuff. You can go to Wolfram Alpha. I have taught you Learn GPT, where you can learn, generate a complete, what do you call as, chapter, and then you can talk to this. If you want to, if you still don't understand, go deeper and all. Batch generation, ideogram we have covered. Let's move on next stuff. Well, ideogram is for graphic generation, don't forget, okay? Resources, equation, solutions, all that comes in Wolfram Alpha. Resources, I want to teach you a little bit about resources. Wait. For resources, go to perplexity.ai, perplexity.ai. Here you want some resource, okay? Maybe you want some resource materials regarding to quantum computing, okay? So you say, give me links to resources involving quantum computing, okay? Share me links, ebooks, articles, case study links, magazine links to articles, ebook links, or any other reference material. Enter. Perplexity will give you all the links. For example, IBM Quantum Experience, you have an access here. Microsoft Quantum Development Kit, you have this. Quantum Inspire, a platform to run quantum algorithms on simulators, that is given link. Textbooks and ebooks, okay? All these links are there. Articles and series, courses and interactive resources links are given. MIT link is there. Community forum links are there. GitHub repository links are there. Oh my god, amazing, no? Curated list of resources and all. Great. So if you want more links, what you will do? You can also have related stuff like what are the best online courses for learning quantum computing? Are there any free quantum computing textbooks available? How can I get hands-on experience with quantum computing? What are the key principles between quantum computers? Can you recommend any beginner-friendly articles? That's up to you to decide, right? What do you want? Then you say, give me more resources. It will give you obviously more resources. See, the world is big. Class Central, Udemy, Coursera, EDX, IBM Quantum Learning, Quizkit textbook, Skills Build, Quantum Computation and Quantum Information. Access the book, this is there. Quantum Computing Stack Exchange, Quantum Inspire, research and projects. Oh my goodness gracious me. Everything is available. Even search videos are available. Search videos are available. Free, you can watch it. Then search images are available. You can even generate an image in the pro plans, but this itself is amazing, right? Spaces, there you have to sign up for Spaces. Okay, great. So now that is one thing, like signing up for Spaces and all. Okay, anyways, let's move on. So we covered this. Creative content you can create using ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT, say say I need a story, a creative story to help me study IoT development, okay? IoT development as a 9th grader student studying in India. Give that, let's see what happens. Arjun and the Smart City Mission, a young coder's IoT adventure. So it will give a creative kind of content to it to help you to learn, okay? So this is very easy. For example, in the creative story, it is saying smart traffic system, air quality monitoring concept. It is explaining along with the story, smart water management, grand finale, and all this stuff, right? So if you zoom in, you will get an idea, right, guys? Yeah. So some people will be watching this video on mobile. For them only this is grand finale, and he did it, and it's featured on the news. Moral of the story: technology when used wisely can change the world. Very good, ChatGPT. You are amazing. So You got the idea right, guys? You got the idea right? Pertaining to the concept, it will give you a story. So that also is done. So creative content, we have got all this. Flashcards. Flashcards. You want to generate flashcards? There are lots of flashcard tools out there. You just type in flashcard free generator on Google, okay? Lots of tools. For example, you have this also. NoteGPT.io. It will generate a flashcard. For example, let me go back to Learn GPT. Edge computing. Okay, let's pick the edge computing, okay? Edge computing. Generate flashcards. Let's rock the world, because this is the flashcard for edge computing. What is edge computing? Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the location where it is needed, improving response time and saving bandwidth. Next flashcard. How does edge computing differ from cloud computing? Here is the answer. Then next, what are some benefits? Here is the answer. Then next, in what industries is edge computing being used? That also answer is there. Then what role does the IoT play in edge computing? What are edge devices? Can edge computing enhance data security? All this stuff. And then you can play this. You can shuffle this. Learn. Amazing stuff. Amazing. AI flashcard maker. Best of its kind in the world, guys. NoteGPT.io/AI-flashcard-maker. Flashcards also covered. Summary. Suppose you want a summary. Go to Learn GPT itself. Say, summarize this topic in 3 paragraphs. Enter. This is a secret that people will go berserk about. 3 paragraphs. The entire thing is summarized. Believe it or not, this kind of content is going to change the world. Bring forth a lot of people, learn new things. Make our country the best country, the most richest country in the world, thanks to young talent being utilized, and the kind of thing, what I believe the vision is different. Anyways, it's a lot on the higher side in text, audio, podcast and video. Okay, in text, audio, podcast and video. Text we saw. Audio, how do we get audio? Let me show you how do you get it. Copy this. Copy the summary or copy the entire text, whatever you want. Go to notebooklm.google.com. It's called notebooklm.google.com. Okay. Go there. Log in. Click create new. Here upload a source will be there. Click on that. Paste text, or if you want a website also you can paste the link of the journal GPT. You can paste this link. There will be a link change for every this one, but anyways, paste the copy text here. Okay, click insert. Now let's turn this into an audio format where 2 people will be talking, 2 podcasters will be talking about this topic. It's easier for you to understand, because ordinary learners will be like shocker on shock street, because they can learn a lot of things. You can even customize how you want the AI host to focus on. Teach the AI host should teach this concept effectively. Just type that. Always type this. The AI host should teach the concept effectively to a college student or to a school student or to a professional, whatever you want that you type, the audience, and then click generate. Wait for some time. This will be generated. Now I'll add this audio to see. Now I'll add this audio in the video. I want to show you how it is working. It will be like a real life conversation happening between 2 AI hosts. Okay, be amazing to the core. Let's wait for this to generate right now. 2 minutes. It's generated. Let's play it.
All right, everybody, welcome to another deep
Volume.
dive. Today we're going to be exploring something that's pretty fascinating to me, at least.
Yeah.
AI. and how it's impacting how software is built. We've got some excerpts here from this AI augmented software development, productivity, quality, and innovation. And
Big title.
it's a big title, but you know what? It lives up to it.
Oh, good.
So, I've always wondered, like, are we going to get to a point where robots are just writing all the code and there's no need for human developers anymore? I don't know. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, so far robots are writing some of the code, but I think humans are going to have to stick around and check what they're doing for a while longer, at least.
Yeah, that makes sense. So it's not like taking over completely, but it sounds like it's already starting to change things quite a bit.
Oh, yeah.
Like I was reading about these tools, things like GitHub Copilot,
Right.
Like how does that even work? Is it really like, AI writing code for you?
Well, yeah, essentially it is. It's really kind of mind-blowing when you see it in action, but basically it's trained on just massive amounts of code.
So you got the idea, right? How AI robots are talking based on the text that we feed it. Seems amazing, right? Superb. Let's move on. Yes, I forgot to tell you one thing. You can even download the audio by clicking on this, change the playback speed and download the audio. You can do that, okay? Don't forget. And you can add more sources also. Suppose you have a lot of sources, like say you have like so many sources, like chapters. You can add all the chapter links. Like this link can be copied and added, okay? So many chapters are there. You can add it. You can even chat with the host yourself. Can you believe it? On the chapter, whatever you added, you can chat with the host. It's called interactive mode. Okay, you can talk to them live, believe it or not. You can talk to them live and say, you can pause them and you can ask questions and you can do a lot of things in interactive mode. I want you to try this interactive mode yourself, so you'll get an idea how you can talk to your AI hosts, or what you call the AI teachers or mentors. Okay, cool. Then briefing docs, study guide also you can generate through this, FAQs, timeline, whatever you want. Okay, save notes, you want to add a note, you can add a note. Lot of amazing stuff is there. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's move on. So podcast video also you can generate. Okay, it's not a big deal. Video also you can generate. Okay, so suppose you download this file, you can convert it into a video. Suppose you want a video to be generated, all you got to do is type in audiogram maker. You will find lot of this audiogram creators, okay, where you can convert that audio to a video. Okay, like for example, getaudiogram.com, you can just upload the audio and it will convert it to a video very fast. It will convert to videos and it's pretty cool out there. Okay, you can use that to the code. Okay, we have lot of tools like that. Free audiogram creator and all is there. I think no, this better than this. I think this is the pod squeeze and all is there, but I think this is for hearingaidno.com. You can also try that if you want. Audiogram creator, this is also good. Or Bead has one audiogram creator that also seems to be good. Audiogram graphics generator OdGen seems to be good. Online AI audiogram creator also, okay, you can try that out. So what happens is sometimes audiogrammers will take it as some sites are different. For example, hearingaidno.com, this is a different kind of audiogram. Okay, this is not that podcast kind of audiogram we are looking at, right? This is a plot hearing test result. I'm talking about audiograms like convert audio to a video kind of thing. Okay, so don't get confused. If you want this, you can go to this, but don't get confused. We'd also will do. So I'm talking about audio converted to a video. Okay, getting the idea, guys? Okay, great. So small. So now this will end your day 1 portions. Okay, let's move on to day 2, where you can talk with AI teachers and AI mentors and store your memory with them for step-by-step guidance and assistance. Okay, so you can talk with AI mentors. Let's look at that right now. So once again, let me check the mic. Yeah, it's working good. Go to character.ai and you can talk to your AI mentor. For example, I want to talk to science teacher. Okay, and sometimes the science teacher also has my voice anyways. So now I'm talking to myself, but I'm a science teacher. So you can even click on discover a lot of characters Science teacher, physics teacher, maths teacher, you can talk with them live. Okay, pretty amazing out there. So you can have a call with them and you can talk with them live. I want to show you how this works. First, let me show you the audio on demand stuff. Okay, audio on demand. Suppose I have some doubt. Okay, science teacher only. No, I can ask her. She might be knowing about it. So let me just ask. Suppose I have a doubt. Is it true? I'm just showing a sample doubt. Okay. Yes, there you go. There you go. Can play it.
Yes, the integration of artificial intelligence AI into coding has the potential to greatly transform the software development lifecycle. AI can be used to automate repetitive tasks, identify patterns, and improve efficiency. For example, it can help developers to identify bugs, make code suggestions, and even generate code for certain tasks. AI can also help developers to analyze code to identify potential areas of improvement or optimization.
This is audio on demand. Whatever you want, you can put and it will answer. Okay, any tools, anything that you want, any doubts you have, it will clear on its own. It's like a 24/7 personalized teacher, and you can choose the right character for this to work. You have to click on discover and discover the right characters for this to work. Okay, these characters are actually trained on their own expertise. For example, I pick the science teacher. You can pick whatever you want, ethical hacker or a coder or a Python guru or a digital marketing expert, whatever you want you pick. Okay, I'm just giving an idea how it works. Okay, now let me call this person. Let me call and I'll show you how the call works. Okay, get ready, 1 second. So remember, I've cloned my voice for this to happen. Now I'm going to call myself, completely call myself. You also have an app that you can use. Anyways, hi, how are you doing? Actually, yeah, I hope this is recording really good. In fact, I want to know about, say artificial intelligence for Python. Is it actually possible that we can use AI for Python coding? And what are the tools? What are the software that we can use? And give me an example of this.
It is possible to use AI for Python coding. There are several tools and software available for this purpose, including 1. Google Colab. It is an online platform that integrates Jupyter Notebooks with Google Drive and TensorFlow. Colab also supports other ML frameworks. 2. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an AI-assisted coding tool available integrated within GitHub's Atom, Visual Studio Code, and Visual Studio. 3. Deepcode. It is a cloud-based tool that reviews your Python code.
So I got it. So then you can obviously hang up and all the stuff you can do. You can talk to it. You can continue the conversation. So what is GitHub Copilot? You can ask, it will answer. So just continue, or you can even interrupt it and you can do a lot of things. So why I'm saying this is, if you have a good internet connection, if you have a good this one, what do you call as good internet speed, this will work wonders for you. You can ask, you'll have a 24/7 tutor. Tutor. Sorry, yeah. You can discover all different people that you want, and then you can chat with them. Very easy, and that is how it works. So we'll chat in their voice, and whatever you want, you can talk to it, clear doubts, or ask it to teach you something. Everything it will do, guys. Everything it will do. Let's move on. So now you have an AI mentor, a tutor, personalized learning assistant, also storing your memory with them for step-by-step guidance or assistance. For example, it is stored. This is all stored in your account, right, in Character AI, right? Generating study notes, guides, and explanations using AI. This you can use Perplexity itself. If you want to generate study notes, copy this entire thing, like thing in the sense like the chapter, right? And say I want study notes on this. Just copy this. Go to Perplexity. It's already here. Convert this to study notes. Okay. Here there's enter. There you go. It's going to convert that to study notes. There you go. There you go. In bullet point, you got study notes, guys. Study notes. Great. That is also done. And then guides, explanation. Convert to guide. Convert to explanation. Whatever. This type in Perplexity, it will convert it. That's it. Simple. and complex concepts into easy to learn module. For that, what you need to do is, for example, you have the study notes, right? Go back to that perplexity. Yeah. Now say I want you to explain the above concept to a 5-year-old kid. Just say that, and it will say, it will talk about that concept. For example, imagine you have a big box of toys. You want to make sure all toys in the right place and working properly. But it's hard to check every single toy by yourself. AI is like a super smart helper that, hey, this toy might be broken, it's the wrong place. When you write code, it's like building with blocks. Sometimes we might accidentally put a block in the wrong spot, and that can make the whole thing fall apart. AI helps us find these blocks that are in the wrong spot before we even try to build them. AI can help us test things. Let's say you have a toy that sorts blocks by color. AI can help us try lots of different ways to test it, like sorting blocks that are already sorted, blocks that are all mixed up, guys. Okay, this way we can make sure the toy works perfectly every time. So AI is like a magic helper that makes sure our toys or computer programs work correctly and are fun to play with. Amazing, right? This also is done. It's very easy, guys. Very, very easy. So I think your day 2 is like superbly done. Let's move on to the next J3 concept right now. Yes. Day 3, mastering competitive exams and technical training. So all you gotta do is, how do you crack a competitive exam? And how do you get AI powered coaching, learning, programming, design, access free online libraries? We'll come to that. So use this tool, Julius.ai, julius.ai/home/AI-math, your personal math tutor. So all you can do is, here you can upload an image. So whatever you have a doubt or you want something to be solved, upload that image. Here you can even insert an equation and it will show you. For example, find the 1000th digit of pi. Just click on that. Then once you log in, only this will work. But anyways, you log in. So it'll solve the equation. Photo math, like photo math is there. You can scan and solve any math problem. You have a textbook. You want to take a photograph and it will solve the problem, guys. In your camera also you can take a photo and you can upload. Equation solving also you can do. Like this it will derive, okay? Step by step it will show you. Word problems, convert and solve word problems. Graphing, instantly plot any equation, that also is possible. Pretty amazing. Equations, factoring, simplifying expressions, inequalities, sequences and series, word problems, everything you can solve it. Okay, cool, right? Use this to the code, and this can be used for max and competitive exams. Learning programming, design and creative skills efficiently. This one, what you have to do is, you need to tweak a little bit while you put a Learn GPT. For example, what did you put? We put future of coding, right? Go back to Learn GPT, say new topic. All you got to do is efficiently. That means you need to plan it really efficient. For example, structure the course title so good. For example, if you want to learn graphic design for whom? For coders, or for entrepreneurs, or for college students. Just say students, or for graphic design principles. Now I am targeting only one topic out of the entire book. Or say Adobe Photoshop guide. That is also possible. For example, I told you, right, here guide books also you can generate. Free online library, notes and guidebooks. Question banks also you can do. Question banks, yeah. You say question bank. Okay, you have to say that, question bank. Or you can say Adobe Premiere Pro shortcuts. Example, I'm just giving you examples, guys, and then you have to say all that. Then you have to click learn and it will generate that same thing. Don't worry about that, okay? Notes for, suppose you want some notes, say business management notes. or sociology notes, or say you want to note on history of Indian independence notes. You getting the idea, guys? What I'm talking about, right? Public speaking tips, examples, guidebook. Use all the jargons, okay? So you will be able to get those type of study materials or books. From that you can convert to audio. From that you can convert to video. From that you can convert to explain like I'm 5 and all, right? So all that stuff you can do. Okay, from that you can generate the posters and all, right? So you're getting the idea, guys. And even Gemini, I forgot to tell you this actually, you can generate amazing posters. I'll show you amazing images. For example, create an image of a teacher teaching college students in a classroom about on the topic of quantum physics. Enter. So it will create an image. Getting the idea, guys? That also you can use. Gemini has evolved a lot right now. Lot of things. Gemini Advanced also there. It will create an amazing image. So all this stuff you have to use, okay, like this. You see how amazing it is created? Quantum physics. You can see, okay, it has created even, oh my god, it has created, wait. It has created the diagram so real. Very good. This is a AI image, but how amazing it is anyways. So like that, you can even create diagrams and all, you can do it, okay? Getting the idea, guys? See, if you want to add more details to the prompt, you can do. More specific you are, the better Gemini can create images that reflect your vision. This is the most awesome course in the world. And you know that, right? Great. And then accessing free online libraries, notes and question banks. You ask Gemini itself, where are the free online libraries that I can access? And you know, notes and question banks also, how you can. If you want to create a quiz on this, just say, Gemini also can ask like, give me a quiz on quiz questions on quantum computing. Just an example I'm giving you. It will give you the quiz questions. Oh my god, it's giving them. Sorry. Hold on new chat. Yeah, give me quiz questions on quantum computing with answers. Okay, there you go. Basic concepts. Questions are coming in. Answer also coming in. I want with explanation. I want. Then it will give you with the explanation. Why are you worrying? Be happy. Question 1. What is the fundamental unit of information in quantum computing? Qubit. Explanation given. Question 2. What is a property that allows a qubit to exist in multiple states? Superposition. Explanation. Same thing. Repeat. Give question. Give quiz. With answer, with explanation. Give question. Give quiz. With answer, with explanation. Repeat the same thing and it's going to work like wonders. Let's move on. So day 3 is completed most successfully. Let's move on to day 4 for you. Great. Day 4, AI powered learning for video editing, audio editing and more. Okay. AI tools that simplify complex tasks, mastering video and audio editing, automating highly creative work with smart tech. This is your day 4 portions. And all you got to do is, see, audio editing I can teach you, but it is a bigger process. But all you got to do, see, there are lots of things, but for now you learn. Without a studio itself you can create things. For example, Auto Studio. You go to Auto Studio, what you can do is, you can just record anywhere. Record in a street, record in a bus, and upload to Auto Studio. It will automatically remove the background noise, the broadcast noise you call it, right? And it'll give you a final file that's like studio recording. It's going to clean your audio in seconds. It looks like in a studio. You can listen to the demo and examples. You'll get an idea what I'm talking about, but you're understanding the procedure, right? Cool. That's for Audio Studio, okay? So this I can teach you here. And see, audio editing is a very, you have to use Audition, you have to use Pro Tools for video and audio editing. You can use a lot of Audacity kind of tools. So if you want, you can Google for Audacity. Learn a lot of things in Audacity. It's a very amazing tool out there. audacityteam.org, that is the website. The world's most free popular audio editing and recording app. Use it. Try to use it. Find some tutorials online on YouTube. Start using it. It's very amazing. For video editing, see, we use a lot of tools. A lot of tools are in the planet. Okay, so you can start to use certain tools. For example, I can tell you about faceless videos. I use auto shots. So what auto shots will do is, it is faceless videos on autopilot. Okay, it allows you to completely, if you give a topic, it will create a completely faceless video on the particular topic, and it's going to be really cool out there. Some of the videos are looking really cool. You can check out my channel. You can see a lot of auto shots videos. Automating highly creative work with smart technology. Yes, you can automate. So suppose you have any chapter that you have. For example, I want to learn about constant motivation. Learn. It's going to create the topic. So now it's created the topic, right? It's created the topic. Now what you can do is, suppose you want to make it more creative. What you got to do is, suppose, I'll just show you. Just copy this entire thing. Go to ChatGPT. Okay. Where am I? Here I'm in ideogram. I'll have to go to ChatGPT. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Now say, turn this chapter content into a highly creative chapter. No, highly creative one or something like that. Put this, and it's going to turn it into a very highly creative, engaging version. You see this? This one will become like very highly creative. Okay, you can check the difference. Find purpose. It's a word thrown around frequently. A word often whispered in moments of doubt. You see the difference. The difference is like pretty cool out there. Okay, the treasure hunt. How to unearth your purpose. Oh my God, it's amazing. So use all the stuff. Don't forget. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, these are all big topics. So there is a course called Video Man I teach. So if you look at book spots and you click on this, there is courses. You will find different courses I teach. Okay. For example, I was telling you, right, like job placer machine, there is agentic AI, there is Mind's Eye, there is India's first AI powered software testing course. I was telling you, right, here there is something called Book Spots Video Man, rapid video making. That's a complete course in itself, which I'll teach you live. That's a paid course, but I'm just telling you, because video editing and video making itself is a broader it's an ocean actually of learning. Oh, this is the world's first AI-powered WordPress course. Okay, that's also pretty cool. World's one and only transhuman programming course. AI-powered no-code Java, no-code Python, quantum creativity, ChatGPT unlock 50 courses in one, free VOD plus live training. All this stuff is there. You check it out, okay? Let's go back. Now look, we looked at auto shots. Let's look at what next we can do. Great. So let's come back. Yes. So your day 4 is completed. So let's move on day 5. Free presentations and AI powered study materials. We'll be able to create world-class presentations in minutes. AI tools for automatic research and knowledge extraction, collaborating with AI for faster and deeper learning. Let's look at that Look at it right now. So world-class presentations you can create. Automatic research and knowledge extraction also you can use, and collaborate with AI for faster and deeper learning. How you can do that? Using Gamma app. Gamma.app. Go to Gamma.app. Click on create new. Okay, create new. Gamma.app. Okay, don't forget that. And now what you can do is, you can import a file that you already worked on, or you can paste in the text, or click generate. Click generate. So here you can give the number of cards. Give 10 cards. Choose different layouts like traditional tall, and choose a whatever the language. You can do it in different languages out there. Hindi, Tamil, everything is that. Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Bengali, Gujarati. Great. So now you can create a presentation, or you can create a web page or a document or social. So now I'll create a presentation. So I want to create a presentation on constant or motivation. Okay, constant motivation. So I can say constant motivation. Click generate outline. Generate outline. There you go. 6, 7, 8. Suppose if you don't want this outline, you can just give these same outlines you want. I'm just giving an idea. So just change it and just make sure that is only there. Okay, it's done. Great. Choose the theme. We'll choose this. Content, detail, medium, brief. I'll do it medium. AI images, that'll be automatic. Or AI image also you can add. Anyways, I'll be there. Image styles, if you want to give a specific image style, or you want to choose a specific image model and all. They have Luma, they have Imagen, Flux is amazing, Playground 2.5 is great. Anyways, choose something, click generate. What it's going to do right now is it's going to create an entire presentation on its own for free. So it's going to do that. It's going to do that. If you want certain premium elements, you can obviously upgrade, but it's already creating. It's creating on its own. I see I'm not touching the keyboard. Everything is happening on its own. Oh wow, super. Cultivating a positive mindset. Oh my god, there is a great. Maintaining momentum. Potential pitfalls. It created the diagrams, it created the symbols, it's created the graphics, whatever you want, and then you can make changes. Suppose you want to make changes, you want to delete this, you want to add it, you want to chat with the AI, make this a different image. Click on the image, change the image, edit the image, remove the background, change the focal point. Or you want to add one more card, click on add blank card. Or you want to add a card with AI, just click add card with AI. Describe what you want the card. Suppose you want, say, self-discipline. Add a slide. Self-discipline. Oh. Okay. Add. Wow. Understanding motivation, it's added. But I wanted self-discipline. But anyways, it hasn't added that. It's created. It's not added that. But anyways, you can. It's understanding motivation, because this is about constant motivation. So it is taken that. But has it added the self-discipline part? It's added in a different context actually. But anyways. If you want, you can edit it. Suppose you want to pick self-discipline, click on that. Just you can wait. Copy this. Okay. Copy this and go back. Paste it. That's it. Okay. Great. And then you can add stuff. You can change the font. You can change the layouts. You can add the web pages, charts, diagrams, whatever you want you can do. And then you can present it. You can download it. You can do whatever you want. Share it, download, click on the 3 dots, export to PDF, export to PowerPoint, export to Google Slides, export to PNG, whatever you want, right? Enjoy. This is your ultimate. Okay. So this is your presentation stuff, graph stuff, all this stuff you can use. Automatic research. I told you, right, how it research on the outline. You can use the AI tool for automatic research, knowledge extraction also. And collaborate with it. I told you how to collaborate. Add a slide, change a slide, add a topic, write some content. It will do all this stuff. Deeper learning. Very amazing. Day 5 is completed. Let's move on to day 6, which is the most amazing, incredible, mind-blowing stuff coming up. Let's move on to day 6, the final day, the future of learning, next-gen AI guidance. How to stay updated with cutting-edge and more futuristic AI learning methods. This is a tough question, but easier to answer. So what you can do is, you can research, you can look at portals like there is an AI for that. Product Hunt. Look at these portals, right? You will learn, there are lots of tools. For example, there are 31,000 tools are there. Oh my god, 15,955 tasks are there, 4,986 jobs are there. There is an AI for that. You can look at a lot of things. Okay, lot of AI tools. Click on that, learn some stuff, right? You can also look at go to books parts and something called as Knowledge Hub. Here you'll have a lot of ideas like how to start an AI institute in India, AI for Reiki, 60 AI video creation tools. The video creation you can learn more. AI proof your career, that is fine. Top remote job sites you cannot miss. That's amazing, right? All the remote job sites in the world are there. 100 AI tools to finish years of work in minutes. Top 20 free ChatGPT alternatives also I have with unlimited usage in 2025. The complete and ultimate collection of list of all the AI tools in the world. Complete list is here, dude. The greatest collection of trending SEO tools in the world. The greatest list of AI, all AI directories like similar to there's an AI for that. They have all the AI directories listed with millions of AI tools that you can ever imagine. Oh my god, go back. All this stuff is there. Growth hack from podcaster with over $90 million. All this stuff is there in the Knowledge Hub section of Bookspots. You can check it out, okay? Great. So you can stay updated with the platforms that you look at there from Bookspots, right? Become a self-learning expert. That also you can become. For lifelong success, learn on your own, explore, research, do a lot of things that people will go berserk about. You have to learn a lot of things on your own. Okay. For exclusive Q&A session, always message me. Message me if I'm able to answer your queries. Find me on LinkedIn. Just go to LinkedIn. Yeah, there I am here. LinkedIn.com/in/Srinidhi Ranganathan, Ranganathan. Find me on LinkedIn. Next. Here we go. Yeah. So all this stuff is there, but I want to show you the bonus tool in the world. It is called Soul Machines. I want to show you. It's an AI 3D mentor. Soul Machines. Soulmachines.com. The world's one and only AI 3D mentor. You can talk to an AI bot that looks so real. That looks like this. It will answer your queries. To do a lot of amazing stuff. Looks so real. I want to show you some Soul Machines here. So just give me a minute. Let me just show you some samples of this before we end this course. So once you log in, you will see a new chat button. Click on that. Before we go, 1 second. So you also try out this, guys, lab of AI research. We have a lot of things here like AI robots interviewers on the rise, mind reading AI, faceless YouTube channels. We wrote about Bharat GPT. Okay, OpenAI is starting the Stargate project, Jarvis 100.0, the dawn of AI generated tutorial videos, Sun Intelligence 4.0, what it is and all we have covered, like hybrid human AI intelligence where the distributed power of millions of intelligent machines are there. Wearable startup entrepreneurship, Sun Intelligence 3.0, immortal AI technology 2.0, immortal AI technology goes beyond ASI. Most powerful development begins at Bookspots, 3D virtual shopping mall, flying pencil, create 50,000 mobile apps in minutes, emotion editing watch, invention of the godfather of modern AI, Mr. Mohan Nila Shankar's cake, travel to Mars in 1 day by 2017, mini flying cities, creation and expansion using maglev technology. All this stuff you study. Okay, now let's go back to Soul Machines. Okay, I hope my audio is clear. Great. Let's say a new chat. Okay, hope it works. Just give me a minute. What I need to do is just give me a minute. I need to also give my computer audio for it to record, so it's easier for me to talk to it. Okay. Yes, now I want to learn about delegation, how it helps. Okay.
Delegation is essential for effective teamwork and productivity. It allows you to distribute tasks based on team members' strengths, freeing up your time for strategic planning. Would you like to role play a scenario involving delegation?
Yes.
Great! Let's imagine you're a project manager. You need to delegate a task to a team member. Who would you like to delegate to, and what task will you assign?
I want to delegate SEO activity to Derek.
Perfect. Let's start the conversation. You can approach Derek and say something like, "Hey Derek, I'd like to delegate the SU activity to you. Can we discuss how you'd like to tackle it? Go ahead and give it a try."
Hey Derek, I like to discuss an SEO activity to you. I want to delegate this ultimate activity that results in backlinks and guest posting, which you gotta do. Did I do well? Yes. So you can see that, guys. So then it'll ask you for a subscription and all, but you can talk. See, this technology is ultimately available, guys. This kind of technology is the first of its kind in the world itself. It's available. You are able to get an AI mentor that talks to you 24/7, and it's like no limit on the number of conversations of minutes. So it's very amazing, right? You get an AI teacher talk to you on any topic, and it's really good, right? So it's really, really fantastic that such technologies are on the rise. Great, super great. Oh my god, this was the best course that I had actually opted for. That should come to your mind, right? That should come to your mind. Because see, lot of things are lot of topics, lot of things that you want to learn. You gotta learn, right? So ultimately, I told you, nobody taught me digital marketing. I learned it the hard way. So whatever you want to learn, you can, whatever you're passionate about, start learning it. These kind of tools will help you a lot, right? This is the best of its kind course in the world, you gotta think, right? So because so many things, so many concepts, so many tools, so many technologies, so many software, everything you're learning, right? First of its kind in the world. I'm teaching you all this stuff. Oh my god, it's great. So I hope you enjoyed this ultimate practical, holistic, hands-on program. Share this with your friends or colleagues who want to learn and master a lot of things, practical stuff they need to learn, hands-on stuff. I've taught you hands-on stuff, and this is like very secretive stuff I've taught you. Go ahead. All the best for your learning endeavors, and check out Bookspot, bookspotz.com. Don't forget, and check out newbots.studio, newbots.studio, the world's first AGI studio. Talk to me, find me on LinkedIn, find me on, other platforms like Instagram, follow me, right? And you can learn a lot of things from me. Been in the field for more than 12 years now, and I've been using a lot of secretive technologies which are really cool. Like a lot of things are like also on the pipeline. Like we are also working on 3D malls, virtual malls, digital malls. We're working on different projects that involve a lot of AGI agents, AI agents, ANI agents. People say AGI has not even launched. How are you talking about AGI? We have some certain technology, and we are using them. And this technology, I hope, can bring a big revolution in India and the world. And and I have plans also, so that my work will be recognized. My vision is to make India the richest country in the world, and I'm striving towards that. We're also creating Sun Intelligence technology, which is, a kind of a super robot that connects to thousands of virtual and humanoid robots. In one interface, we can control all those robots, guys. We can have digital employees work for us 24/7 on any kind of work, digital task that we want. Suppose we want the team member to team member seems to be a ideal word. Team member to actually work on a Canva design, or maybe they want to work on an article or a video. Everything is possible, guys. What is not possible in the world? The word impossible itself is possible. Says I'm possible, right? Great. So thank you so much. This is Srinidhi Ranganathan signing off from this ultimate course. See you in another video very soon. If you're in Bangalore, we can catch up. Let's rock. Bye bye.